Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand.
I have a cooking show and a home show where I show all kinds of products like these knives. Most all the products I show, I get from China. Sewing machine, I even get beauty products. Look at these eyelashes. I need this stuff. It's so inexpensive and high quality. I do all kinds of coffee recipes. So my coffee machine and the filters I use come from China, and it's so important to get just the right recipe. I also have a juicer that I love from China because I have lots of lemons and citrus in my backyard. And that just makes juicing my citrus go fast. The coffee filters I buy from China, they're environmentally sound, so I'm not hurting the environment. I also have a projector machine. This is great, so I can see the movies I want to watch at my house.
So I hung this one in my backyard. Isn't that amazing? And that was around $30.
I also buy my light fixtures from China that I install myself. I am so excited about the China International Export Fair. It's happening March 15th through the 24th, and there's a 360-degree virtual factory tour where you can see all kinds of suppliers' factories online without even coming to the fair. It's an instant negotiation with the suppliers with a private chat. The link is on this video, and it's such an amazing site. There's so many great products made in China that you probably want right now. It's amazing. Merchants all over the world can find suppliers here. There are 3 parts to this festival. They're the live springs with spring sales and a smart expo. And you can see more than 600 live streams with the new products that are just released. You can see product demonstrations and exclusive discounts just by watching it on live stream. In this big spring sales event, you're promised to get a certain discount for every buy you make. It gives all the buyers free samples, freight negotiation, and commitment to deliver the goods within 15 days after the buyers buy and pay deposit. What a great festival to get all kinds of incredible things made in China. Click the link in my description box and find out all about this wonderful spring sales and smart expo. There's all different kinds of parts to it, and the website will show you all the fun they're having there and all the great buys and products.
I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great videos in life. See you next time.